Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts, where we break down the news and chart data to help you make informed trading decisions. Today, October 14th, 2024, we're focusing on Tesla stock. Tesla has been in the news recently, with a Robotaxi event that left many investors disappointed. Tesla's CEO, Elon Musk, unveiled a vision for the future of transportation, showcasing two-seater cybercabs with no steering wheels or pedals, designed to operate autonomously. However, the presentation lacked specifics on the timeline for FSD advancements, rideshare economics, and the go-to-market strategy. This lack of clarity led to a sell-off, with Tesla plummeting by approximately 10% following the event. Analysts expressed concerns about Tesla's valuation, arguing that it's disconnected from the fundamentals. They highlighted the company's reliance on its less proven ventures, such as FSD, Robotaxi, and humanoid robots, for a significant portion of its market cap. The next crucial test for Tesla will be its third-quarter earnings, scheduled for after the bell on October 23, 2024. Investors will be closely watching for updates on these ventures, along with any guidance on the company's future plans. Now, let's dive into the charts and see if the recent drop in Tesla was merely a blip or the beginning of a larger bearish trend. First, let's look at the daily chart for a broader perspective. Looking at the daily chart, we can see that Tesla has been on a downward trend since early 2024. The stock price reached a peak of $274.45 in June 2023, but has steadily declined since then. There are some notable price levels to watch here. A crucial support level appears to be around $200, where the stock has found support several times in the past. This could be a crucial level to watch for a potential rebound or, conversely, a break below it could signal further bearish pressure. On the other hand, the recent decline has taken the stock below the 50-day moving average, which is a common technical indicator suggesting a weakening trend. The stock price has also fallen below the 200-day moving average, which often signals a longer-term bearish trend. This raises concerns about the short-term outlook for Tesla, and it may be worth considering if the stock price is likely to retrace its recent decline before finding a sustainable rebound. We've seen a bit of a rebound on the daily chart from the recent drop, but it's important to zoom in on a shorter time frame to get a clearer idea of the current sentiment and potential short-term reversal. Let's switch to the 1-hour chart to examine the recent price action in more detail. Here, we can see that Tesla has been experiencing volatile trading over the last few days. The stock price has been testing the $220 level, which has acted as both support and resistance in the recent past. This level could be a key indicator of the immediate future. A break below $220 could lead to further declines, while a sustained break above it could indicate a shift back towards bullish territory. However, the current market sentiment seems to be cautious, as evidenced by the increasing trading volume. This suggests that investors are still weighing the impact of the Robotaxi event and its implications on the stock price. It's worth noting that the 1-hour chart shows a series of red candles, indicating bearish pressure. While this doesn't automatically mean a continuation of the downward trend, it suggests that bulls are struggling to regain control. The short-term outlook is still uncertain, and it's crucial to pay close attention to the price action around the $220 level to gauge the immediate future direction. Now, let's look at the 15-minute chart to analyze the very recent price action and see if there are any signs of a potential short-term reversal. Here, we can see that Tesla has been experiencing a lot of volatility with rapid upticks and downturns in price. While the overall trend seems to be bearish, there have been some instances of short-term bullish rallies, suggesting that some investors are still optimistic. For example, we saw a sudden spike in price on the 15-minute chart around 1300 hours Universal Time Coordinated, which could indicate that some investors are buying the dip and hoping for a rebound. However, it's essential to be cautious, as these short-term rallies could quickly fade away. The volume on the 15-minute chart is relatively low, which is typical for such a short time frame. This suggests that the recent price action might not necessarily be indicative of a larger trend. It's essential to look at the broader picture, taking into account the news, the daily chart, and the 1-hour chart, to make an informed decision. Overall, the 15-minute chart doesn't offer a definitive answer to the question of a short-term reversal, but it does highlight the ongoing volatility in the market. In conclusion, Tesla is facing a challenging period, with the recent Robotaxi event casting a shadow over the company's future prospects. The daily chart shows a long-term bearish trend, with the stock price falling below both the 50-day and 200-day moving averages. However, there are some signs of a potential short-term rebound, particularly on the 1-hour chart, where Tesla has been testing the $220 level, which could act as support. The 15-minute chart shows a lot of volatility, suggesting that investors are still trying to determine the direction of the stock price. The next few days could be crucial as the market reacts to the news and earnings reports. Keep an eye on the price action around the $220 level on the 1-hour chart, as a break below it could lead to further declines, while a sustained break above it could indicate a shift towards bullish territory. Furthermore, watch for updates on the company's progress on its autonomous driving and robotaxi technologies, as well as any guidance on the company's future plans during its third-quarter earnings call. Overall, the market sentiment is cautious, with investors weighing the potential impact of the Robotaxi event and its implications for Tesla's future. TSLA's short-term outlook is still uncertain, with both bullish and bearish forces at play. It's crucial to remain vigilant, monitor the charts closely, and make informed decisions based on the available data and news events. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember to subscribe to Explain the Charts for more in-depth analysis and insights on the market.